What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Brandon, and in today's video I'm going to quickly show you guys the refinish spray gun cleaning kit that my shop likes to pick up for us. I love this kit a lot better than the ones that I've picked up myself, so I wanted to do a nice video for you guys that are looking for a particular kit, something that will go good with your gun. Now the gun that I have that I use for this is the LPH400 by Iwata. So if you're looking for an awesome cleaning kit for your LPH400, this baby will do the trick for you. Okay. Now I will leave a link below for you guys. If I can't find this particular product on Amazon, I will leave a similar product that has these same brushes and tools in it, so you could pick that up for yourself. Now before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this, and let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm just gonna dump them all out on the table and show you that way. Okay, it'd be easier for me here. So first thing comes with this nice hard bristle brush. It's not like a wire brush, plastic bristles, but it's hard. So those really hard to reach spots, like, you know, in here or around your knobs, spots like that where you got paint and primers and whatever caked up inside and have been building up for a little bit of time just because they are so hard to reach. You could really get in there, soak it, really get in there and clean it real nice with this brush here. Then you got this guy here, again, hard bristle. Okay. Then you got this one, which is an even harder bristle. So pretty much you got a bunch of different sizes for whatever type of gun that you have to be able to get in those really difficult places. So you got all different sizes here to get in the particular areas that you need to for your particular model gun. Okay. Then it comes with all these little small brushes to get in those really hard and small areas that are inside, like your fluid tip nozzle and your air cap. And then you also have even smaller, finer pieces that don't really have bristles, but they're more for getting those really tiny holes in your air cap that helps atomize your material. Then we also get one of these guys here, which I absolutely love because it really gets right down in there and cleans out where you need it to be cleaned. But when you first get it, it's kind of a real straight brush, almost kind of like a witch's broom, right? So what you want to do is get it to be a little bit more of a fanned out pattern, so that way it can really clean out the areas that you can't reach with other brushes. Okay. Then the last tool it comes with is kind of like a dental's tool. Alright, so you take this little plastic piece off. It's got a little pick on there. I don't know if you could see that. I'll pull this off so you can see it. There it is. It's like a dental's tool, so you can really pick and pry at the little crevices and stuff like that to get all the hard paint that's built up in your little crevices and stuff like that. Okay? Yeah, so the shop that I work for gets these kits for us, and they work awesome. So if you guys are struggling to find a kit that's not cheap and doesn't work right, if you're looking for something that that the bristles don't fall apart on you and end up being inside your gun. If you're looking for something that's built with quality and it's going to last you a long time, and this is going to be a kit that you want to pick up. Okay? Pick one up, try it out for yourself. Again, I'll leave a link in the description below for you guys. Again, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more content, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.